going along a road now. It's a 40-mile-an-hour road, 40, and there'll be a roundabout ahead, and I'm going to turn right at that roundabout. You can see that I'm sticking into the left at the moment. I'm going to check my interior mirror and my right door mirror, indicate up for right. Then I'm going to position the car over next to the centre lines, and now I'm going to brake. I'm going to brake enough so I can get down to second gear at this point, and then I can look onto the roundabout and see if it's safe, which it is, and I can move in. Now I'm indicating right at the moment, but at this point I'm going to check my left door mirror, indicate down for left, and check my mirror again, and then move off the roundabout. And that is turning right at a roundabout. We just see that in slow motion, so it's mirrors, signal, and then position over to the just left of the centre. Now the speed will take the longest, so I've got to slow the car right down, and so that I can get into second gear. Gear about now, and then look. It is clear. I'm going to move into the inner lane on the roundabout, and then as I go round I'll need to change from the inner lane to the outer lane to come off. So it's mirrors again, and then signal, mirror again, left door mirror, and then move myself off. Left door mirror, then move myself off. We are approaching a roundabout on this 40-mile-an-hour road, and we're going to follow the road ahead, taking the second exit. So I'm going to follow the MSPSL routine. So I'm going to check my mirrors, then I'm not going to indicate because I'm going straight ahead, not going right or left, but I'm going to get my position, which is on the left. Then I'm going to brake. I'm going to drop the car into second gear. I'm going to approach the line in second gear, look to see if it's safe, which it is. Then I'm going to maintain my position as I go around the roundabout. Check my left mirrors again, signal for left, so that's at the one before the one I want. And then I'm going to come off of the roundabout like this. That's how to go straight ahead, second exit on a roundabout. This time I'm going to turn left at a roundabout, and again I'm going to follow the mirror, signal, position, speed, look routine, where first of all I'm going to check my left mirrors, then indicate down for left, keep my position, which is on the left, and I'm going to then use my brake to slow the car down. I'm going to get it down to 20 miles an hour for second gear, and then I'm going to look, see that it's clear, and then I'm going to move in and around. And that's how to turn left at a roundabout. Again, no matter if the road is busy or quiet, still the same routine. MSPSL, mirrors, signal, position, speed, look.